Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to generate AI videos using upsampler.com. Complete step-by-step. So this guide is designed for beginners who want to create short AI videos for social media, marketing, or creative projects without adding a watermark. By the end of this video, you will know how to generate, customize, and download your AI-generated videos easily. So let's get started. First of all, let's basically know exactly what is Upsampler. Upsampler is an AI-powered platform that allows you to generate videos from text prompts, enhance video quality, upscale low-resolution clips, create short AI animations. It's commonly used by creators making content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, marketing ads, creative storytelling. So the platform uses AI models to turn text descriptions or images into animated video scenes. Now, step 1, go ahead to the Upsampler website, open your browser, visit upsampler.com, and click sign up here or sign in, and then head over to sign up and get started, right? You can use GitHub or Google to sign up with Upsampler. Yeah, okay? After signing up, log in to access the dashboard. Once you sign up, you're gonna be able to access the dashboard. This is the dashboard here, okay? And inside the dashboard, look for the AI tools sections. You may see options such as AI video generator, text to video, a video upscaler, image to video. For this tutorial, we're gonna select text to video or generate here at the top, okay? Where you can generate an image, basically, right? But if you don't want to generate image, we're gonna go ahead and see right here the video section and generate, right? And select your model, right? You can select 2.240B, okay, or LTX distilled, right? In my case, I'm gonna stay on CDance 1.5. Let's just acknowledge here that I don't have credits, so you have to buy at least 20 credits to generate 5 credits per second, okay? So yeah, the duration should be, let's say, 12 seconds, okay? And the cost should be, or the cost would be 60 credits, all right? Now, enter your video prompt. The prompt is what tells the AI what video to create. A good prompt should include subject, action, style, environment, camera, movement. Here's an example. A sleek black smartphone emerging from the darkness into a dramatic spotlight, rotating slowly to showcase its polished edges with the minimalist, high-end commercial aesthetics, okay? And the more detailed your prompt, the better the results, okay? Now choose the video settings. Before generating the video, configure the settings. We selected the model, right? And the aspect ratio here, which we forgot, right? Tailored to your needs. If you promote it as YouTube Shorts, usually you can select 9:16, right, for Instagram Reels or TikTok. But if you're using it for YouTube, like a full video, you can just use the normal size, which is 16:9, okay, or 1:1 ratio, right? And basically what you're gonna do, just hit generate. You can also select the resolution afterwards, 720, 1080p, and the video length here, which we selected earlier. So yeah, for social media content, choose 9:16 vertical format, and then click generate video, okay? The AI will process your request, and the generation time usually takes 30 seconds, 1 to 2 minutes, depending on complexity, okay? And review the generated video, okay? So watch your video carefully. Look for smooth motion, correct subject appearance, visual consistency, no strange distortions. If something looks off, simply tweak your prompt and regenerate. AI video creation often improves with small prompt adjustments. And then download the video without watermark. If you have credits, you just download it without watermark. If your generation qualifies for watermark free downloads, just click download select the desired resolution, save the video to your device. Now the file is ready for editing or uploading. Before publishing, you might want to trim clip, add captions, add music, combine multiple clips. Simple editing tools can make your AI videos much more engaging, like CapCut, etc. Now, AI generated videos are commonly used for YouTube Shorts content, TikTok storytelling clips, social media ads, animated product visuals, background visuals for videos, creative storytelling scenes. Okay. Now, the prompt tips for better AI videos are that it should include subject, environment, lighting, style, camera movement. As example, a drone shot flying through a tropical island at sunset with palm trees and ocean waves. Cinematic lighting, ultra realistic, more detailed, better output. Okay. Avoid using extremely vague prompts, generating very long video initially, ignoring aspect ratio for social media downloading low resolution, expecting perfect results on the first try. AI video creation is an iterative process, so you need to work with them. Now, use shorter clips and combine them in editing, generate multiple variations and pick the best one. Always test different prompts. Keep videos under 10 seconds for short form platforms. Save successful prompts for future use. It's the fastest way to create your first AI video. Sign up on upscaler.com, open the AI video generator, write a detailed prompt, select aspect ratio and resolution, generate the video, download the final results. Okay? AI video generation tools like upscaler.com are making video creation dramatically easier in 2026. Even beginners can produce cinematic visuals without cameras, actors, or complex software. The key is learning how to write good prompts and experimenting with different styles until you find what works best for your content. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.